The Three Oxen and the Lion. Unity is strength. Once upon a time, in a beautiful green meadow near the mountains, lived 3 oxen, a brown ox, a black ox, and a white ox. They were best friends. They always stayed together. They ate grass together, played together, and even slept together. Because they stayed united, no animal could harm them. In the same forest, there lived a big, hungry lion. He always watched the oxen and thought, if only I could separate them, I could eat them one by one. The lion tried many times to attack them, but every time the 3 oxen stood back to back with their sharp horns. The lion got scared and ran away. One day, the lion got a clever idea. He went to each ox separately and started spreading lies. The lion first went to the brown ox and said, "Do you know, the black ox is saying bad things about you. He thinks he's stronger than you." The brown ox became angry and believed the lion's lie. He stopped talking to the black ox. Next, the lion went to the black ox and said, "The brown ox doesn't like you anymore. He says you are weak and lazy." The black ox also believed the lion. Now both friends were separated. They stopped trusting each other and went their own ways. Only the white ox stayed silent. He watched everything carefully. The white ox thought, "Something is wrong. The lion is lying to break our friendship. He wants to attack us one by one." So, the white ox decided to act wisely. He first went to the brown ox and said, "Friend, the lion is lying to us. He wants to separate us so he can eat us easily." Then he went to warn the black ox. But before he could speak, roar! The lion suddenly jumped out from behind the bush and attacked the black ox. The black ox was frightened and shouted, "Help! Please help me!" The white ox quickly ran to the brown ox and, "Come fast! The lion is attacking our friend. Only together we can save him." The brown ox finally understood. "Oh no! I made a big mistake believing the lion." He immediately ran to help. Once again, the 3 oxen stood together, strong and united. They turned to the lion and said, "Together we are strong." They attacked the lion with full power. Thump! Bam! Whack! The lion became frightened and confused. He tried to escape, but it was too late. The 3 oxen pushed him so hard that he flew backward over the rocks and rolled behind the mountains. The lion never came back again. The oxen realized and said, "We were safe when we were together, but we became weak when we broke our unity. We will never fight again, and we will never believe lies that break our friendship. From now on, we will trust each other forever. Unity is strength. Together, we are strong." Moral of the story: unity is strength. When we stay together, no one can defeat us. Never believe lies that break friendship. Always trust each other. Did you like the story, kids? Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe Simple Quack for more fun stories. Want to see more stories? Check the link in the description below. Thank you, and bye-bye, kids.